Z's.
Yes.
Get out there and start taking some pictures.
Full of water. Are you filming?
It's a little wobbly. You get that on tape.
Oh yeah.
If I poured right now, I could like drink a gallon of water out of my like clothes.
Oh, hey, high fives.
Not that I ever would.
Not that I can feel my hands. Nice
Good
job.
job, Ray. Good job,
Yeah,
baby.
everybody.
Can we get a little back view?
Oh yeah. Oh what? Back, the back.
Oh
back
yeah, Miss Madowick.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
High five. Look
Yeah,
at you.
Jamie.
You are the cleanest. Mr.
Yeah.
Slack.
Yeah, you got that one part.
Definitely the
Oh yeah,
cleanest.
let's get this one.
You got a good stripe.
Yep.
Can you take a picture, Car? Thanks, Mrs. Slacky.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks, Mama.
You look so cute.
Oh yeah.
So what is the temperature today?
Cold.
Negative
50s
About
maybe?
50, 55.
How much rain did you have?
Well, I think if we measured our pants,
Too much.
you know, it's
Maybe the first
half of the rain that fell right here.
first 20 miles it rained, and then the last 10 it didn't. Really.
Yeah. Okay, do you want a photografia?
All right. Let's get in. Jane.